The data filter tool is a great tool for doing some once-off cleanups. So in this example, we've got some data. I'm just going to highlight the whole lot and put the filter on. And if we look in this column, you'll see that Washington is referred to in many different ways. And that's a problem for dashboards, simply because how are you going to find out all the Washingtons when everyone has its own name? So a way to do a quick cleanup is you switch it on and you've got a search capability here. And what you do is you can type in a few letters that represents what you're looking for. So by typing it in WASH, you'll see that all these options exist. What we can do is once we've done that, if we leave it like this and say OK, what it's done is it's highlighted or shown all those possibilities. We can choose the one we want to use. So let's say we decide that's the correct one. I'm going to copy it, can highlight that, and only when you use the data filter in this way will this work, because I'm now going to paste it, but because it's in a filter, it knows not to overwrite the hidden stuff. So you'll see row 9 is hidden here because it's obviously not a Washington. Only when you're in the filter will it not overwrite it. So when I paste it, Control V, you'll see it now says Washington DC like that. If we go back and we say select all, you'll see that Washington now only has one entry. And what we now need to do is continue. So for example, we type DN, that will hopefully show us all the Denmarks with the misspelt ones. And we can then go through that process and keep going through it until such time as it's cleaned up. And when we look here, we see no potential duplicates.